Alright, let's go. Name of the notes today, sorry, November 15th actually, 15th.
Oh!
No, babe, that's for me, it's not for you, I can have it for you. I sent it to Miss Johnson so she can see how I'm doing later. You'll probably sit down in your seat.
I want to see me.
4. It's not about you, it's about the skeletal. Alright, our objective on top. I will be able to identify equivalent fractions using cross multiplication. I will identify what kind of fractions, you guys? What's that E word right here in your paper? And right up here. Equivalent. Excellent. Lori, give me, what does equivalent mean? Give me one word that equivalent means. We did two, we learned 2 words yesterday. We did our blocks yesterday. Equivalent means what? Some, no, some, what's some mean? Some when we add, the keyword when we add. What is, if I find equivalent fractions, they're fractions that are the what? I don't know, 1 second.
Go.
Rory, help him out. I mean, Kylan, help him out. Jimmy, that's your first one. You guys, if I have, we did yesterday, you guys found all those pairs yesterday. You found 6 pairs for 1/2. You did all these pairs yesterday. These were all, yeah, you found 6. You did awesome. You found 6 yesterday. They are all the what?
Same.
The same. Equivalent means same. Everyone say equivalent means same.
Equivalent means same size.
What else does it mean? It also means something starts with an E.
Equal.
Equal. Excellent. So equivalent means same or equal. So our first part on our notes, or equivalent. Excellent. Well, here, let's first. Today we're talking equivalent fractions. Today connects to my big goal number. Look at our year-long goals on your desk. You should see equivalent fractions on there. I see number 5 for Damien. Let's see, Jen, you see number 5? Beautiful. 3. You see equivalent fractions somewhere here? Number 4? That's equivalent? Something else? Number 5. Where's it on for you? Number 3. Identify equivalent fractions. This is one of our goals we're going to work on. Because remember, we have till the very end of the year to meet this goal. So we're going to learn this right now, so you guys can start meeting that goal right away. Guys, pick the pencils up. Stop. I don't know what's going on. You don't need to be throwing pencils all over, but no on an accident. All right. Our first part. Miss Dokubo needs to know if her cookie recipe from this weekend has the same amount of regular sugar as brown sugar. The recipe says it needs 3/4 cups of regular sugar. Everyone circle 3/4. You see that number, 3/4. And she needs 4/5 cups of brown sugar. 4/5 of brown sugar. We're circling 3/4 and 4/5. She wanted to know if these are the same. So, in other words, are these two fractions equivalent? The same or equal? We want to know, are they equivalent? So, what's the way we can find this out? We can just kind of look at what's the thing we could probably do to help us figure this out. Alright. We look at the numbers, but if we just look at we can't tell, what can we do to help us maybe? And I gave you all that space on your paper for a reason. What do you think I could do right there, that space? Kind of. Draw the problem, yeah. So let's all try to draw a picture for 3/4. So draw maybe a rectangle.
What is that?
Just that big space I gave you.
What big space? What big space?
The space underneath the problem, babe. There's a big empty white space on your paper right there in the
I
middle.
don't see it.
You don't see any empty space?
No.
Well, let's put it wherever you want in your paper. If I have 3/4, Roy, how many total parts do I need to break that up into? 4. Excellent. Damien, if I break it up into 4, how many do I need to shade in, Damien? If I break it up into 4.
Shade
5?
3.
That's your first one. That's how you get your okay check. And then you'll go out in the class. Your decision. Alright, so we had 3/4. So Rory said we have 4 total parts. Using my fraction right here, how many do I want to shade in? 3. So we'll shade in 3. Everyone draw a picture that looks like this. You're not already there. Do you shade in 3 or you shade in 2? Alright, how many do you have left? 4, 5. How many do you want to have? We're doing 3/4. How many do you want to have total? 4. So let's erase this last one. All right, my other fraction was 4/5. Underneath this picture, I'm going to draw another picture the exact same size. How many parts am I going to break this up into?
4.
Antonio, if I have 4/5, how many total parts do I want to have? Do I want to have 4 total parts or 5? What's my total? 4 or 5? How many total do I want to have? I'm going to have 4 total?
No.
And how many total?
5.
5 total, and then how many would I shade in?
4.
Beautiful. Let's all do that on our papers.
Man, got so fast. You know, I can't catch up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to shade it in, then I'm going to wait for everyone to get to this point. So I'm going to shade in 4, Antonio said.
No one.
I'm trying to come help you so you can catch up. All right, can I draw the next picture for you? Can I draw the next picture for you so you can catch up? You gotta go quickly. All right, you need to shade. I'm going on in 10 seconds. You need to shade quickly. Now you take your blue pencil and this, and then this is all gonna go over here. We don't need it is. All right, I got 3/4 and 4/5. Who's there? Damien's there. He's done. Roy, I don't see a 4/5 shaded in. I don't see it shaded in. Beautiful. 4/5. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded in. 5, 6. How many do you want to have shaded in? What did you just tell me? You told me 5 shaded in?
4.
You got 4, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total parts. How many total parts do you want to have? 5. So let's erase this last one, okay? All right, Kylan, looking at my pictures, do these look equal?
No.
So no, a little bit, yeah, I hear yeah, no, what do you think? Tell me, they look the same? A little. You just, if I said yes or no, which would you pick? Is it yes the same or no not the same? I have 1 yes, no. Damien, what do you think? Yeah, so I have 2 yes, 2 no, what do you think?
No.
No. So I have no, we have 3 of you, I have a yes, 2 of you. We're going to find out. So here's what we're going to look at. So if I have my fraction blocks, I got 3/4. So I got 4 total. I want 3 of them. Break them up. I got 3. What's my other fraction, Damien? Besides 3/4, what's my other fraction I got there?
4. 4/5.
4/5. Thank you.
I'll say yes.
So how many of these do I want?
4.
Thank you. Thanks for ignoring me. So just ignore them, okay? Or put them next to each other. Are they the same?
No.
Are they the same size, Damien? Same size? No. My picture looks the same, doesn't it, a little bit? And these look kind of close. If you put it out far away, you might be like, oh, they're the same. So we're going to learn a way today to find the right answer without even using our blocks to draw the picture. It's going to be a lot easier. It's called cross multiplication. Everyone say cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication.
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 Cross multiplication.
Multiplication.
Beautiful. So, we're going to go to the next page of our notes now. We're doing our notes real quick. Guided notes. Next page. Flip the page. Damien, good. Damien, you go on the next page in 10 seconds. We're on the next page?
This page?
Yep. So we're going to fill those notes in.
Oh,
So, first thing we're going to do, first line, to check if fractions are equivalent, you can cross, and this long line right here, you're going to write multiply. I'm going to write on the board for you. So our first long line, we're writing multiply. Antonio, writing multiply on this first line right here. On the board. Good. Good, you're writing multiply on this first board right here. You need to take a break for a second, come back. I'll fill this out. You take it, because you're not working right now. You're off task, so I put that over here for a reason. You give me your pencil. Let me fill it out for you. Come back when you're done. Yes? Your 2-minute break. All right, our second line. Now, number 1, circle the 2 numbers. Circle the 2 numbers. And that second blank, guys, is going to be the word diagonal. Diagonal. That's going to number 1, the blank in number 1. That's going there right now.
I'm gonna be
You're
watching.
sitting down on the couch. You're sitting down on the couch. You're a paycheck deduction now. I'm not going to keep telling you the same thing over and over. Sit at the couch. Does anyone know something diagonal, what that looks like? Draw with your finger, like your finger, diagonal. So this is like a cross. This is up and down. Diagonal is like this.
Like it was.
Slant, like a slant kind of. That's what diagonal is, okay? So that's diagonal. That's our first step. So, second step, circle the other two numbers that are diagonal from each other and multiply them. So number 2, that word is going to be, again, multiply. You have 10 seconds to write this in, multiply. When you're there, put your finger on your nose. When you're there, put your finger on your nose. Nose. Beautiful. Number 3. You want to check then to see if both answers are what does equal mean?
Same.
What does equivalent mean?
Equal.
Same. So you guys all said that. Same. Kylan's ready to go on. Rory's, I think. Beautiful. Number 4. If they are the same, then the fractions are, what's our word today?
Equivalent.
Equivalent. They are equivalent. That's going that first blank for number 4.
Come back.
After this part, I'm going to have you come back in like 30 seconds, okay?
Somebody.
If they are the same, so they're equivalent. If they are not the same, then the fractions are not equivalent. When you got that, raise your hand and give you a calculator. When you got that, raise your hand so I can give you a calculator. Damon, you want a big blue calculator as usual?
Yeah.
Okay, come back. You're ready. I put your notes in, so come back. You want to come sit right up here in front? Yeah? Your notes are right here, so why don't you bring them here? Sit right here. Bring the calculator. Bring your timer. Okay? Sit right here, okay? So, I need everyone to put the calculators on your desk. And your hands free. Your hands free.
Not this.
Yeah, right here. That's my stuff. You just right there. Okay? So we have, you're going to sew underneath here now. We have right boots. I want you to put those right back right now. We're not using those right now. You can use them later. Put them back. Now. So we have 3/5 and 4/5. And you're sitting down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we didn't earn another thing. Sit down. You're not touching them. I just said that. I'm going to talk one more time. Mr. G's coming in. All right, so our first step, we said number 1. Circle the numbers diagonal from each other. Diagonal means what? Let's look at your arms. What diagonal means? Is it like up and down, back and forth, sideways? Up and down was diagonal?
No.
Across. So we got 3 and we got 5 across. So we're going to go like this. After I do it, you're going to do this. They're diagonal from each other. Do that on your paper right now. Do this on your paper right now. Circle 3 and 5 across from each other. We circle them, then we multiply them. Use your calculator right now, or you can count. You can skip count. 3 times 5. 3 times 5. And you know the answer, pull on your ear. Pull on your ear and you know the answer. Using the calculator right now. Anyone need help using the calculator?
No. What did I do?
3 times 5. We're going to multiply. Okay? A bad? I didn't see anything. Where, you got it? Pull on your ear. Pull on your ear. 3. We're going on. You have 10 seconds. We're going on. Hold gently. Times looks like this. Times is our x. So do 3 the times x. Stop. 3 times 5. Class, what's the answer?
15.
15. So I'm just going to write underneath it 15. So you all write that underneath your fraction. 15. Underneath that fraction, 15. You got 22. Let me see you do 3 times on your calculator. You did 3 minus 5 times 4 minus 5. Show me the 3. Push 3.
Always has a
Push 3.
this.
Times, there's our x. Good. 5 equals. You need to be in your seat. 15. Nope, just right underneath it. Right underneath it. Right here. 15, 15, 15. Good. Now, step number 2. Circle the other 2 numbers diagonal from each other. Antonio, what other 2 numbers do we get left that are diagonal from each other?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. We're going to circle them, everyone. Circle them. After you circle them, you're going to multiply those together. I don't tell them the answer. How are they going to learn it?
Oh.
We all get 20?
Yeah.
So we're going to put 20 next to them. Are these equal to each other? Is 15 the same as 20?
No.
No. So that means they are not equal. They are not the same. They are not equivalent. Equivalent. So it's 3/5 and 4/5. Are they equal to each other?
It ain't not.
No. Are they equivalent? Are they the same?
No, it ain't not equal.
They're not equal. That's what we're going to work on today. That's what we're going to do to help us find our answers instead of drawing pictures. Everyone, look at your next example, number 1.